Welcome back to the channel. This afternoon you join me having a look at this Bosch AdvancedGrassCut 36. Now, before we start looking at this and opening up the box, this is something that I have bought myself. I haven't been sent it, but obviously if anyone does want to send me something, a robot mower for 3.5 acres, that'd be great. Anyway, so this is basically the unit but without the charger and the battery. So I think with the battery, when you buy these with a battery, they're around 200, just over £200. So without the battery and charger, they are 119. The batteries that I'm using, I've got 4 amp hour, 2 of these for my cordless mower, my Rotac 43 Li mower. So I've got 2 of these. So the idea of this is that I want to try and get away from using the petrol strimmers. These are mainly probably classed as garden, non-commercial strimmers, but I need something, can't quite stretch to a Makita 36V cordless. They are way over, I don't know, £400 or £500 when you include batteries. So I thought I'd buy one of these and utilise my existing batteries that I have. On the lawnmower, these last a very long time, so it'd be interesting to see how long they last on the strimmer. But let's take a look at it first. Get it out of the box. Get my trusty scissors. So normally in these videos, what I do is assemble it wrongly. So handles are upside down or back to front, and then someone points out in the video that I've made a mistake and it's not right. So that's quite nice. you.